Hello, students. Very happy New Year to all of you. Happy 2019. Uh, I wanted to, send a video or record a video before your results came out. Okay, before your results come out. So, today is around 17th of January 2019, and your results will be declared on 23rd, which is 6 days from now. 23rd of January, which is a Wednesday, 2019. Firstly, let me wish all of you the very best for your results. But, the outcome could be two-way. Either you would pass or you'll not. But whatever be the outcome, the important message and takeaway for CA is always that, if you pass, you go to the next level. If you don't, you wait for 6 months and once again appear and make your attempt count in the next term. Okay, so even if someone doesn't succeed, अगर कोई succeed नहीं करता है इस term में, तो उसको वापस देना चाहिए, और वापस ऐसे देना चाहिए कि 6 महीना बाद उसका इंटर वापस वो इंटर में पहुंच जाए. Okay, now what if a student passes this term only? Many of you will pass. Okay, in fact most will pass. Okay, so once you pass, you reach to the next level, which is the inter. Okay, so this video, the purpose of this video is to give you some pointers on what to do and what not to do in your inter. Although I'll be available for counseling, even after your results come out. But prior to that, I just want to tell you some basic pointers which you should ponder on. You need a week's time at least to think and reflect, without which your decision could be very wrong. Okay, so number one which you should keep in mind is that your experience counts. No matter how many people you ask, what suits them or what doesn't suit them, doesn't matter, doesn't count. Be it your friend, be it your family, be it anyone on earth. What matters most to any person is his or her personal experience. आपका खुद का तजुर्बा आपको गाइड करना चाहिए. आपका खुद का तजुर्बा आपको गाइड करेगा. तो यानी कि आपका तजुर्बा SSCI के साथ ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. You have experienced your CA foundation from here, and I am sure, with the efficiency and with the teamwork, with the hard work which the faculties of SSCI at CA foundation level has delivered you, you should be happy. Okay, now the next thing is, in CA inter, where to go and how to decide where to go. I tell you, in CA inter there are going to be 8 papers. CA foundation में तो 4 ही पेपर था, CA inter में दुगना हो गया, 8 पेपर हो गया. तो सोचो 400 मार्क्स का हो गया 800 मार्क्स. तो 400 मार्क्स का जब 800 मार्क्स होता है तो सोचिए आपका दुगना एफर्ट लगेगा, और वो दुगना एफर्ट आपको नवंबर 2019 में अगर CA इंटर देना है दोनों ग्रुप साथ में, तो आपका मिनिमम 2 महीना पहले यानी कि अगस्त 2019 तक सिलेबस खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. यानी कि फरवरी से अगर सिलेबस स्टार्ट भी होता है, फरवरी से अगस्त होता है 6 महीना, 6 महीना में हर सब्जेक्ट का ट्यूशन खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. अभी सवाल है कहां से ट्यूशन ले. एक ऐसा जगह से ले जहां पे ऑल सब्जेक्ट मिल रहे, और आपस में रूटीन एफिशिएंट वही जगह में होगा जहां पे जहां पे आप एक साथ सारा सब्जेक्ट्स ले रहे हो. कोई क्लैश नहीं होगा, कोई इनएफिशिएंसी नहीं होगा, फ्लो बहुत अच्छा होगा और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड होगा और एफिशिएंट रूटीन होगा. एफिशिएंट रूटीन विल एक्चुअली हेल्प यू इन दिस पीरियड ऑफ 6 months. Okay, now what about the competency of the persons who will guide you in inter? I can tell you on record, no team of CA inter faculty is better than SSCI's team. I can guarantee as a team we are the best. But ठीक है, खुद से नहीं बोलना है. You have experienced it already in foundation, so please let your experience guide you. Lastly, lastly, if I talk about, you know, the talking about, you know, your experience with SSCI, I not only talk about your the way you felt. I talk about the communication channels which are already established with accounts, with me in law, with, you know, FM sir, that is Eco sir, who will teach FM. So accounts sir, Eco sir, लॉ सर यानी कि शोमोदीप्तो सर, हम लोग सारे आपको ऑलरेडी गाइड कर चुके हैं फाउंडेशन लेवल में, तो हम लोग के साथ आपका कम्युनिकेशन बहुत फास्ट होगा इंटर लेवल में, क्योंकि हम लोग का स्टाइल से आप लोग वाकिफ हो। और कोई नया टीचर, कोई भी XYZ, कोई भी नया टीचर के पास अगर जाएंगे तो 1-2 महीना तो आपको नया स्टाइल के साथ सेट करने में वक्त लग जाएगा, तो वो वक्त आप ना खोए। और इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ तजुर्बा का बात, और खुद का सुनने का बात, और खुद पे भरोसा रखने का बात। एंड लास्टली, you know, you have all experienced my classes and foundation level. I am sure most of you will come back here for law and audit, the 2 papers which I deal with. And, you know, this time I have planned something for CA Inter, which I have planned never before. The classes will be done in such manner that no one has taken ever before. I will try to, you know, reach CA Inter, or, you know, place CA Inter in such a pedestal that no one has ever dared to do in law and audit. And that's a commitment. That's more than a promise, that's a commitment. Okay, so anyway, I leave you on a nice note. All the very best to all of you. I wish all of you all the success in the world on 23rd of Jan. Good luck, guys. See you again. I'll be available on my phone for counseling all of you, and I'll meet you personally if required. Please do book an appointment. Please do ping me once your results are out. My best wishes. Thank you.